That's the biggest risk of a business. The reason I got to OD with Coach Ras is that na-realize ko na kahit na anong ipasa ko na, hindi na kinakaya. In short, na-overwhelmed na. Doon ko na-realize that the challenge is not them not wanting where to go. Nandun tayo, gusto nila. Me giving them opportunity, nandun tayo, nandun yung opportunity. But it's really how to hold, how big or how small their capacity is to handle the opportunity. Now, kung kaya kong i-handle, hindi na kayang i-handle, ang mangyayari ngayon, dahil gusto kong tumakbo yung negosyo, ako mag-handle. At dahil ako nag-handle, ang mangyayari ngayon, mapufrustrate ako as a business owner, mabiburn out ako, and for me, that's the biggest risk of a business. It's not competition, it's not new products, it's not finances, all of that kaya solusyonan ng isang business owner. Pero kapag ang isang negosyo na burnout ang may-ari, sarado lahat siya.